while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Fau. I know I do look like a homeless person, but I am actually undoing my mini twist. So this is the amount of shading that I have received from just finger detangling. I haven't combed it out yet, and because you guys have actually loved and I've received so much love in my previous video on okra gel. I'm going to be actually doing that kind of detangling again, and I am actually going to be recording this on my, I'm going to be doing another video. So I do have a few of okra gels over here. I didn't manage to get the huge ones, like they're of different shapes. They're huge, some are little, but either way it's gonna work because I just need a few okra gel to use. So yep, we are doing the okra gel again. So this is the hair that I am actually taking out, and actually it has been kind of easy because I'm not doing so much, but it has been a little bit hard because I'm actually straining my arms, and you know that can be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to finish taking this out, and I'm going to be actually doing it here on camera. This, I think, therefore I'm going to finish taking this out. Then after that, I'm going to just like open the mini twists, these mini twists, and just be done with this hairstyle and think about what's next. So we have a detangling video coming up. We have a washing video coming up. We do have what else? Maybe another protective style that I haven't decided yet on what I should do. So meanwhile, let's just get this going. And I do feel like my hair has really improved, like in terms of the thickness, because if you have been here for a while, you know that the last time before I actually did this hairstyle, I ended up getting a trim so that to just try and level my hair and thickness. So I think I have removed a lot of the brown or the dyed hair. So I won't be chopping my hair anymore until when I feel I do have a lot of split ends. So I won't be chopping my hair no more. So I'm going to let it just grow out. And I don't know if you have realized the ends, these ends, they tend to be a little bit raggedish. I don't know why, but they are a little bit raggedish. So they are a little bit tangled together. So you're going to use a little bit energy over there to just like let them loose. And at the top here, I don't know if you can see, but we do have a braid, a little bit braid. So with that, I'm just going to take my comb and just try and separate it. But it doesn't take a long time because it's just a few, what are they called? A few parts, a few stitches. Are they stitches or rows? I don't know. Called rows, braids. Oh, a few braids. Not really. They're just a few like stitches. I don't know, as you can see, 3 turns or 4. Yep. So as you can see, my hair was actually splitted and taken on each side of the extension hair. So just be keen and gentle while unraveling because this tends to make it tangle on the extension hair. So I'm just going to take my and try and bring that out. So the good thing is that this hair is so slippery. So the extension, after you just like unplug 2 to 3, what are they called? After you make the braid loose, it just slides off itself. So yeah, and I think I'm so much in love with my black hair. After dyeing it and ending up with serious problems, I'm so in love with my black hair, and I have actually been using this hairspray. Let me just find it. I have been using this hairspray that has actually kept my hair so much moisturized, and it's actually so cheap. It goes for around 100 to 200 shillings. I actually did buy mine at 180 something, 180 Kenyan shillings. So it has been working magic on my hair. So I like to encourage the people who are out there, mahali kunajua kama hii Nairobi, just go and get yourself this spray because it has left my hair so soft. I can't even believe that it has been a month without me washing and remoisturizing my hair only once. It's a moisturizing spray by Slick. A moisturizing spray by Slick. Yep. So this is how it looks like, and I have actually been using this, and it has actually worked magic on me. So today I'm actually using my, what do you call, selfie selfie camera. So I've just been doing this and just going in and spraying it all over, and it's actually so affordable and so good. So I like you to check this out. So this is how it looks like. It's sleek, and that's just moisturizing spray. So it has left my hair so soft, like you can't imagine. These braids are from, they are from how many weeks ago? 4 weeks ago. And I've been thinking, I did actually want to do mini twists, but I don't know if I'm going to get those. So let's wait and see after I have washed and detangled this hair, because my hair is actually really dirty. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of dandruff, that's what I have realized, but the work that I have been doing actually just like, I have been so sweaty, so it's a little bit full of sweat. So I want to go on and make my detangling juice, and then after that I want to go and detangle this hair. So I think I'm done. So I'm just going to turn to the back.